will begin in 3, 2, 1, go.
And like always, the autonomous period has begun. For the Blue Alliance, we have one specimen scored onto the high chamber and one in the high basket. Unfortunately, it seems that the Red Alliance has not been so lucky. However, luckily, they still do have the driver control period to recuperate their score. 18030, that's Viper Bots Leviathan. Scores another sample for the Blue Alliance.
3, 2, 1.
And the driver control period begins. All robots are off on their controlled period with 18030. That's Viper Bots Leviathan scoring what looks like 3 samples into that high basket. 20506, that's going to be Technobots scoring 2 yellow samples into that high basket for the Red Alliance. Meanwhile, a different strategy, 3050 G-Bots placing their samples from the submersible over to their human player who is holding those specimens off to the side, seemingly to be a common theme for this event. 18030, that's again the Viperbots Leviathan, placing those samples, for those yellow samples into the high basket. Now, once again, folks, just a reminder, these yellow samples are neutral, so both teams can place them anywhere. However, teams can only hang their alliance-specific colors on their chambers. They cannot do the neutral samples, which is why it seems to be a common theme that yellow samples are going into the baskets. 45 seconds left. The score is 131-93 in favor of the Blue Alliance, but those scores are changing quite fast. Still somewhat a close match with 38 seconds left, approaching the end game period. 3050 unfortunately losing a sign as we enter the end game period. 3050 G-Bots scoring for the Red Alliance, multiple specimens onto the field. Meanwhile, 13234, that's going to be Technobots doing the same. Both Red Alliance robots are successfully hanging at this time with 3, 2, 1, and the game is over, folks. And it looks like a Blue Alliance victory, 220-186. Back over to you, Daphne, to start match number 87.